In this tutorial, we are going to demonstrate yet another way of importing data into DocHopper. It's the import folder functionality. You can access it by going on File and choosing Import Folders into DocHopper, or simply by using the My Computer tab that we have already demonstrated. So let's click on My Computer and see what we have here. I have created a folder hierarchy for you called folder hierarchy. So that's directly under my hard drive C. It's the one here. So what we have here is a hierarchy of a few folders. Under folder hierarchy you have folder 1, folder 2, and inside of folder 1 we have folder 1A, 1B, 1C, whose content we can easily browse simply by selecting them or just clicking here, and every time we can move inside of our computer just by clicking on the back arrow on the up arrow, just like on Windows Explorer. So here we are. Let's go one node up and select the folder hierarchy folder, the one containing the 5 folders that are displayed right here. Let's select it, right click and choose import folder and content. What we basically have here is the create several new documents form that we already know. What we do is we select a category, whatever, let's pick another one, management. We select a folder, we can add a description that is going to be the description of all the documents that we create. Same thing for keywords, but let's go for it and just type OK. What we see is this. When we go back to our new folder, as you remember, it did not have previously a plus sign because all the documents that we had created were directly classified under a new folder. So let's double click and see what happens. Well, the content of new folder displayed in the grid has not changed. Why? Because all the documents that we created, that we added to DocHopper's database, were actually added in those folders right here. So what DocHopper did was not only to add the information that was under all the folders selected on your hard drive, but it also recreated the whole hierarchy and copied all the correct files at the correct location. So whenever I click on any given subfolder created by my massive export, I find all the documents that were at the right place on my hard drive. So I have recreated the whole hierarchy of my folders. This is a very interesting feature. Why is that? Because if you have been working for years creating a whole hierarchy of folders, subfolders, client by client, years by years, what you can do very easily is to integrate all this massive amount of data in just a few clicks. Just go on my computer, select the highest folder in the hierarchy, like we just did, select, just click on it, right click, import folder and content, and integrate in just a few minutes years of work into your database. And there we are.